Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're going to go ahead and take you through how to properly prepare your unit for the winter season. So what we're going to do is first, when the unit is ready for taking off, we're going to go ahead and shut off the water leading to our unit. We'll then depressurize the unit using the air bleed button at the top. Once we've depressurized the line, we can go ahead and disconnect the unit from our plumbing. Now we're going to want to store the unit in a warm and dry area away from freezing temperatures. But before we do that, we want to make sure that we drain the unit completely of any water that's inside. So I'm going to show you how to drain the unit. First, we just want to go ahead and remove the entire injection stem assembly. And to do that, we're going to loosen the injection stem nut and then pull down on your injection stem assembly and drain any water that's inside. After that, go ahead and remove the bell housing of the unit and drain any water that may be inside the bodies. Once you've drained the unit, it's ready for storage. Now at this time, you may want to go ahead and take advantage of doing any yearly maintenance, seal kit changes, or cleaning to the unit. For any information on how to properly clean the unit or how to change the seals, check out some of our other videos, and as always, thanks for watching.